Now here we solve the remaining question of exercise 10.2. Question number 10. Find the equation of line passing through minus 3, 5 and perpendicular to the line through the point 2, 5 and minus 3, 6. Here we want to get a equation of line passing through minus 3, 5 and perpendicular to given line. Suppose the given points of lines are A and B. Let A be 2, 5 and B minus 3, 6. So slope of line AB is equal to, we know that 6 minus 5 upon minus 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 upon minus 5. Here the required line is a perpendicular to given line AB. Here the required line L is perpendicular to line AB. Clear? Given this. Therefore, slope of required line L is equal to slope of AB, take reciprocally additive inverse. Here slope of AB is a minus 1 by 5. So slope of required line, that is a slope of a perpendicular to AB is 5. Now L pass through minus 3, 5, which pass through minus 3, 5. Therefore, equation of L is y minus y1, that is 5, equal to m. M is a 5 into x minus x1. x1 is equal to 3. Therefore, y minus 5 is equal to 5x plus 15. Therefore, 5x, y minus 5 take this side, so minus y plus 5 plus 15 is equal to 0. So 5x minus y plus 20 equal to 0. This becomes equation of required line. Clear? Now question number 11. A line perpendicular to line segment joining point 1, 0 and 2, 3. 1, 0 and 2, 3. So this is the point A, this is point B, and the line is a perpendicular to this line. Divide it into ratio 1 ratio n. So this divides into ratio 1 ratio n. Let M is a intersection of required line L and AB. Here required line L divides AB, where A 1, 0, B 2, 3 in ratio 1 ratio m, n at point m. Therefore, the coordinate of m is equal to, we know that line divides line segment AB in a ratio of 1:m. So this coordinate of divisional point M is equal to 1 into 2 plus n into 1 upon 1 plus n. So 1 into 2 plus n into 1 upon 1 plus n. Same by coordinate 1 into 3 plus n into 0 upon 1 plus n. So is equal to here 2 plus n upon 1 plus n, and here 3 upon 1 plus n. Clear? And this line perpendicular to AB, here L perpendicular to AB, slope of AB is equal to 3 minus 0 upon 2 minus 1 is equal to 3 upon 1. Therefore, slope of L is equal to, take reciprocally additive inverse of slope of AB, because L perpendicular to AB. So slope of AB is a 3. So slope of L is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore, equation of L is using point 2 plus n upon 1 plus n, 3 upon 1 plus n, and the slope minus 1 by 3, get a equation of L. So y minus 3 upon 1 plus m is equal to slope 1 by 3 into x minus x coordinate 2 plus n upon 1 plus n. Now simplify this. 1 plus n take LCM, we get 1 plus n into y minus 3. Here 3 also take a LCM, 3 into 1 plus n. So here we get a 3, here 3, 9 is equal to minus take inside. So minus 1 plus n into x. So minus 1 plus n into x minus plus 2 plus n. Clear? Now all term take this side. So here 1 plus n into x minus 3 into 1 plus n. Here 2 plus n, take this side. So minus 9 minus 2 minus n is equal to 0. Clear? So 1 plus n into x minus 3 into 1 plus n into here y minus 9 minus 2, that is minus 11 minus n is equal to 0. This become equation of required line. Okay. Here coefficient of y is a positive, so positive. Clear? So 1 plus n x plus 3 into 1 plus n y minus 11 minus n equal to 0 is equation of required line. Now next question 12. Find the equation of a line that cut off equal intercept on coordinate axis and passing through the point 2, 3. Here line pass through 2, 3, and given that both intercept equal, got a equal intercept on an axis. So first suppose x intercept, let x intercept is equal to y intercept is equal to say a. Therefore equation of line is x upon a plus y upon a is equal to 1, which pass through given point 2, 3. Therefore Replace x by 2 upon a plus y by 3 upon a is equal to 1. Therefore, a take this side. So, a is equal to 3 plus 2, that is a 5. So, a is equal to 5. Therefore, equation of line is x upon 5 plus y upon 5 is equal to 1. That is x plus y is equal to 5. This becomes equation of required line. Clear? Now question number 13. Find the equation of line passing through the point 2, 2 and cutting off intercept on axis whose sum is 9. Sum of intercept is equal to 9 given. Here, first suppose x-intercept A and y-intercept is equal to B. Let x-intercept is equal to A, y-intercept is equal to B. Here given sum of both intercept is equal to 9. Here A plus B is equal to 9. Therefore, formulate B. So, B is equal to 9 minus A. Now, equation of line with x-intercept A, y-intercept B is x upon A plus y upon B is equal to 1. Now, equation of line is x upon A plus y upon B is equal to 1. Now, B is equal to take 9 minus A. Therefore, x upon A plus y upon 9 minus A is equal to 1, which pass through 2, 3, which pass through 2, 3 given. So, replace x by 2 and y by 3. We get x, that is 2 upon A plus 3 upon 9 minus A is equal to 1. Here pass through 2, 2 given, not a 2, 3, 2, 2. So, here y is equal to 2. Now, simplify this. 9 minus A into A, take LCM, we get 2 into 9 minus A plus 2 into A is equal to A into 9 minus A. Clear? Therefore, 2 take inside. So, 18 minus 2A plus 2A is equal to 9A minus x square. Therefore, x square minus 2A plus 2A cancel, x square minus 9A, okay, here plus 18 equal to 0. Therefore, divide 18, 6, 3, 18, which sum become a minus 9. So, A minus 6, A minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, value of A is equal to 6 or A is equal to 3. For A is equal to 6, equation of line is x upon A, that is 6, plus y upon 9 minus 6 is equal to 1. This implies here x upon 6 plus y upon 3 is equal to 1. This implies 6 take LCM, we get x plus 2y is equal to 6. This becomes one equation of required line. And for A is equal to 3, equation of line is x upon 3 plus y upon 9 minus 3 is equal to 1. Therefore, here 9 minus 3, that is 6. 6 take LCM, so we get 2x plus y is equal to 6. Clear? So this becomes the second equation of a required line. Now next question 14. Find equation of line passing through 0 to making an angle 2 pi by 3 with positive direction of a x-axis. Also find the equation of line perpendicular to it and crossing the y-axis at a distance 2 units below origin. First we get equation of line passing through 0 to and line inclined angle 2 pi by 3. Here x1 y1 line pass through this point, x1 y1 is a 0 2 given, and the slope of line, slope m is equal to tangent of this tan 2 pi by 3 is equal to tan pi minus pi by 3. Tan pi minus pi by 3 becomes minus tan pi by 3, and tan pi by 3 is equal to, we know that root 3. Clear? Sin pi by 3 upon cos pi by 3 is a root 3, and apply minus sign, which pass through 2 0 given, which pass through 0 2, not a 2 0 0 2. Therefore equation of line is y minus 2 is equal to m is a minus root 3 into x minus x1 equal to 0. Therefore y minus 2 is equal to minus root 3 into x. So simplify this, root 3x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Clear? So this becomes equation of a required line. In the same equation given, also find the equation of line perpendicular to it, perpendicular to this line, and crossing the y-axis at a distance 2 units below origin. Here slope of this line is minus root 3. So this type of line we have, and passing through 0 2. So this type of line we have, which is a given line, root 3x plus y minus 2 with a slope minus root 3. Now next required line is a parallel to this line and cross the y-axis at a distance 2 unit below origin, and the distance 2. This distance is 2, that is pass through 0 minus 2. Clear? Now next, here second required line parallel to root 3x plus y minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore slope of this required line is minus root 3, and this line cross y-axis at a distance 2 below origin. So this line pass through 0 2, which pass through 0 minus 2. Therefore equation of line is a equation of line is y minus y1 minus minus plus equal to m, that is a minus root 3 into x minus x1 equal to 0. Therefore y plus 2 is equal to minus root 3 into x. So root 3x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Clear? Secondly, slope of line is minus root 3, and this intersect y-axis at a distance below origin. So y-intercept becomes minus 2. So using slope and intercept, y is equal to mx plus c, we get this line. M is equal to minus root 3x plus c is equal to minus 2. Take this side. So we get root 3x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. Clear? Question number next 15. The perpendicular from origin to line meet it at point minus 2, 9. Find the equation of a line. Here perpendicular from origin to line meet at a point minus 2, 9. So this type of a line we have. Minus 2, 9. O, M. Here required line pass through minus 2, 9. So this is the point M. Let M minus 2, 9. Here OM perpendicular to this line. OM perpendicular to a required line. Slope of OM is equal to, we know that, difference of y coordinate 9 minus 0 upon minus 2 minus 0 is equal to minus 9 upon 2. Therefore slope of a required line, slope of a required line is equal to, take reciprocally edit inverse, that is 2 by 9, which pass through minus 2, 9, which pass through minus 2, 9. Therefore equation of a required line is y minus y1 is equal to 9 is equal to m. M is a 2 by 9 x minus x1 is equal to minus 2, so minus minus plus 2. Therefore 9y minus 81 is equal to 2x plus 4. Therefore 2x, 9y minus 81, take this side, so minus 9y plus 81 plus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore 2x minus 9y plus this become 85 is equal to 0. Clear? Now question number 16. The length L of a copper rod is a linear function of its Celsius temperature C. In an experiment, if L is equal to 124.942, then C is equal to 20, and length is equal to 125.134 when C is equal to 110. Express L in terms of C. Suppose length of copper rod is y and the temperature is the x. Let length of rod is equal to y and the temperature is equal to x. Therefore, x1 y1 is equal to, here x1 is equal to 20 first temperature, then length of rod is 124.942 and x2 y2 temperature 110, then length is 125.134. Clear? So equation of line, equation of line pass through x1 y1 x2 y2, equation is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Simplify this. Y minus y1 124.942 is equal to y2 minus y1, that is 125.134 minus 124.942 upon x2 minus x1 110 minus 20 into x minus x1 equal to 20. Now simplify this. We get y minus 124.942 is equal to, here simplification of this is a 0.192 upon this become 90 into x minus 20. Clear? So is equal to, simplify this, we get dividing by 15 to both, 6 to both. Here we get 0.032 upon 15 6 as a 90, that is 15. Here x minus 20. Now simplify this. 15 take this side, so we get 15y minus product of 15 into this, using calculator we get 1874.13 is equal to 0.032 take inside, we get 0.032x minus product of these two is equal to 0.64. Therefore 15y is equal to 0.032 x, take this side, so plus minus this become plus 1873.49. Now dividing by 15 we get y is equal to 0.0021 x plus 124.8993. Using calculator we find this number. So length in a temperature L is equal to 0.0021 C plus 124.8993. This becomes a relation between length of rod and the temperature. Clear? Now next question number 17. The owner of a milk store find that he can sell 980 liters milk each week at rupees 14 per liter. and 120 1 to 20 liters of milk each week at 16 per liter. Assuming a linear relation between selling price and demand, how many liters could be sell weekly at rupees 17 per liter? Same question given here. Suppose x1 y1 is equal to, here x1 is equal to take in a liter form milk, and y take in a price of a milk per liter. If we take x1 y1 is equal to 190.14 and x2 y2 is equal to 1220.16, get equation of a line passing through x1 y1 x2 y2. And in this equation, replacing y by 17, we get x. Clear? Solve this question yourself. Now question number next 18. PAB is midpoint of line segment between axes. Here PAB is the midpoint of a line segment between axes. So that equation of line is x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 2. First, suppose line intersect x-axis at a, x0, and b, 0, y. Let line intersect x-axis at a x0 and y-axis at b0y. Here PAB is the midpoint, of AB given. Therefore, PAB is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2, that is x plus 0 upon 2, 0 plus y upon 2, 0 plus y upon 2. Clear? Therefore, x upon 2 equal to a, x upon 2 is equal to a, and y upon 2 is equal to b. Therefore, x is equal to 2a and y is equal to 2b. That is, the x-intercept is equal to 2a and y-intercept is equal to 2b. Therefore, equation of AB is using intercept form x upon a, x-intercept y, plus y upon b, y-intercept 2b is equal to 1. 2 take this side, so we get x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 2. This becomes equation of required line. Clear? Question number 19. Question 19. Point RHK divide a line segment between the axis in a ratio 1:2. RHK divide in a ratio 1:2. Find the equation of line. First, suppose the line intersect x-axis at x0 and y-axis at 0, y, and RHK divides this line AB, or line segment AB, in a ratio 1:2. Find HK in a x and y form. Formulate x and y, that is x-intercept is equal to x we get and y-intercept y we get. Using intercept, get equation of a line. Clear? solve yourself. Just try to solve this. Now question number 20. By using the concept of equation of line, prove that the 3.30, -2, and 8, 2 are collinear. First, suppose first point is A, second point is B, and third point is a C. Find equation of line passing through AB. And replacing X and Y by these third points, X coordinate and Y coordinate, we satisfy this equation of line, then we say that this point C lies on this line AB. Here, slope of AB is equal to -2 minus 0 upon -2 minus 3 is equal to -2 upon -5, that is 2 upon 5. Therefore, equation of AB is y minus y1 is equal to m 2 by 5 x minus x1 3. Clear? Now take a C in this equation. For C8 2 and line 1, line AB. Put here x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 2 in this line. Y is equal to 2 minus 0, that is 0. 2 upon 5 into x, x is equal to 8 minus 3 is equal to here 8 minus 3, that is 5. 2 upon 5 into 5 is equal to 2. Therefore, C belongs to line AB. Clear? Therefore, A, B, C are collinear. Okay? Now in the next lecture, we discuss next point and next exercise we solve. Okay? Bye.